Hey Yusuke, what's up? New Prime just came in. You want box number 91. I gotta show this upside down, but you'll see it. Box number 91. Alright, good luck to you. Come on, McKinnon Shield, or does he have a Prime Authentics? Right? Yeah. Don't mind Gordon in the back, he wanted to be internet famous. These things are bricks. Are they all this fat? Alright. Take the base off the back. Okay, we got Matt Duchene at a $2.99. Base card, Matt Molson, $2.99. Base. Antinami, Silver Spectrum something. Base out of 50. Nice prime jersey auto. Rookie. Jonas Brodin out of 50. 2 color, 1 color, 1 color, 2 color. It's not bad looking. You got a prime colors. Tuukka Rask. Numbers out of 38. One of the edge pieces. Not bad. Got a prime skates of Chris Letang out of 50. Gordie Howe, prime duels with Mark Howe out of 100. Alexander Barkov quad jersey auto out of 199. And Richard Panik quad jersey auto out of 199. A lot of hits, not bad looking cards. Alright, thanks Yusukes.